So here we've inserted 3 users into our database, and we can retrieve them with other commands. So we have db.users.insert to insert, or we have also db.users. Right? Notice that they all have the same syntax: db dot the name of the collection that you want to operate on, and then what do you want to do with them, right? So for instance, I'm going to retrieve all of them. So find, as the name suggests, right, it does a query and retrieves all those records that are in users. So if we click on that, notice that all the data comes back, right? In this case, it's listing all these 3 records that we had created. Sorry, not records. We call them documents in Mongo. Notice that it's a little hard to read, so you can pipe. You can send the result set that comes back from a finder. You can pass it through several transformers, several functions that can transform the results into something more readable, or sorted, or group it. You can do other transformations. So let's pretty prints the output so that it's a little bit easier to read for us. If we take a look at this, we'll notice that they all have the fields and the values that we had added for each one of them. Plus, there's a couple more other fields, the underscore IDs, that these play the roles of the primary keys, that they can uniquely identify the documents. Right? Usually, all the fields that start with an underscore, those are fields that are maintained by the infrastructure, right? And you can let them go, and let the database deal with them. Right? You can be guaranteed that they're generating unique identifiers for each one of the documents.